Did you know that farmers are now using AI-powered precision farming to boost agricultural productivity? We live in an era where technology evolves faster than ever before, but the hunger crisis remains a stark reality for millions. But what if I told you that AI might hold the solution to this problem? Let's dive right in. AI and world hunger. Agriculture is the backbone of food production in many developing countries. But if we really want to tackle hunger head-on, we've got to turbocharge how we do farming. Governments can lead the charge by investing in cutting-edge agricultural research, making sure farmers have access to top-notch seeds, fertilizers, and tools, and giving irrigation systems a makeover. Now here's where AI comes into play, and it's like a farming superhero swooping in to save the day. AI can equip farmers with super smart insights and predictions based on data, things like predicting crop growth, soil health, and even weather patterns. Plus, AI knows a thing or two about making the most out of resources. It helps farmers use water and fertilizers super efficiently, cutting waste and making everything work like a well-oiled machine. AI-powered precision farming can tell farmers exactly when and how much to water and fertilize their crops. Sustainable farming with AI. We all know unsustainable farming practices can wreak havoc on the environment and lead to food shortages. So, what's the solution? Sustainable farming practices like conservation agriculture, agroforestry, and organic farming. These practices can enhance soil fertility, water usage, and ramp up crop yields. And guess who's here to assist? AI, of course. It can provide farmers with real-time data on soil health, water usage, and environmental factors, helping them make eco-friendly choices. AI can also pinpoint the perfect spots for practices like crop rotation and cover cropping to work their magic. It's like a digital farming expert that analyzes satellite images to spot soil degradation and recommend interventions. Imagine how much good AI can do in the fight against hunger. AI and food distribution systems. Unequal resource distribution is a major driver of hunger. So, it's crucial to overhaul our food distribution systems to ensure everyone has access to nutritious meals. Governments can play a pivotal role by implementing policies that promote fair food distribution. We're talking about building the infrastructure needed, like roads and storage facilities, and nurturing vibrant food markets. But here's where AI steps in to fine-tune the process. AI can turbocharge food distribution systems by optimizing logistics and supply chain management. AI-powered predictive analytics takes center stage, helping food distributors predict demand and adjust their inventory and delivery schedules accordingly. Plus, AI can pinpoint areas where food is needed most and streamline the distribution of aid and relief supplies. It's a logistical revolution that ensures food reaches those who need it most, solving conflicts that could lead to world hunger. Conflicts have a nasty habit of disrupting food production and distribution, ultimately leading to hunger. So it's imperative that we find ways to resolve conflicts to improve food security. Governments can play a pivotal role here by promoting peace and stability, offering humanitarian aid to regions affected by conflict, and supporting efforts to resolve conflicts through diplomacy. But here's where AI steps in as a peacekeeper of sorts. AI can provide real-time data on conflict patterns and trends, acting like a vigilant watchtower. For example, AI-powered social media analytics can detect early warning signs of conflicts, offering policymakers valuable insights for potential interventions. AI also helps monitor and analyze the movement of refugees and displaced populations, offering policymakers crucial data on the humanitarian impact of conflicts. Now, let's talk climate action policymakers and AI. Climate change is a massive contributor to food insecurity, and addressing it is a key step in enhancing food security. Governments can champion renewable energy sources, slash greenhouse gas emissions, and champion climate-smart agriculture practices. AI can provide crucial insights and predictions about climate patterns and their impacts. AI-powered climate models can help policymakers and farmers anticipate how climate change might affect crops and ecosystems. AI can also identify prime spots for renewable energy sources like solar and wind power, maximizing their effectiveness. With AI in our corner, we're better equipped to face the challenges posed by climate change and secure a more food-secure future. AI is already helping create the ultimate crop and maximizing food output. Ever heard of FarmView and its AI magic? Well, it's a game changer for researchers. Take sorghum, for example, a vital cereal crop in places like Ethiopia and India. There are a whopping 40,000 sorghum varieties. AI steps in to experiment with these varieties, collecting data on growth, genetics, and the environment. Then it crunches the numbers with its clever algorithms, spotting patterns and insights faster than us humans ever could. Deep learning AI even delves into the intricate genetics of plants, paving the way for better breeding. That means we get more efficient plants, and that's a big win for food production. Here's a shocking fact. Up to half of the world's food ends up in the garbage. It's heartbreaking, isn't it? But here's where AI, like Tomra sorting solutions, steps in. This AI-powered marvel can analyze food, just like a human would. It sorts the good from the bad. So that slightly bruised tomato might not make it onto your salad plate, but it's perfect for making ketchup. This AI helps us squeeze every bit of value from our food, reducing waste. There could be problems with AI being involved in revolutionizing climate action. Guess what's helping farmers keep their crops healthy? Deep learning AI. It's like having a plant doctor in your pocket. As this technology gets better, it'll be accessible through an app. Imagine just snapping a picture of a sick crop, and this AI guru tells you what's wrong and how to fix it. That's a game changer, preventing big losses. IoT is all about smart sensors and systems collecting tons of data about crops. In the USA, these IoT gizmos generate a staggering 4 million data points every single day, and that number is only going to grow by 2050. They're measuring everything from soil conditions to crop health and climate changes. Now, why is this exciting? Because all this data is like gold for deep learning AI. It's going to make farming smarter and way more efficient. So far, we're just scratching the surface when it comes to using AI in farming to combat world hunger. Humanitarian groups and the climate policymakers are challenging programmers to use machine learning to supercharge agriculture. By doing this, we're racing against the clock, so that when 2050 rolls around, we've got solid solutions to prevent a world hunger crisis. From addressing poverty and improving agricultural productivity to promoting sustainable farming practices, enhancing food distribution systems, and tackling climate change and conflicts, AI offers us a glimmer of hope. Until then, make sure to check out this next video about how else AI can revolutionize climate action.